Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and it's either Monday or Tuesday. Roll that intro. All right, well, I just remembered it is Tuesday, but in my mind, I thought it was Monday. And if you're used to seeing things in my background, you'll notice I got a little something different going on there, but that's going to be another video. So today I got a mail call, and I thought, you know what? This is a perfect time to use the HC&C Chopper. If you saw my last unboxing video, Pete sent this to me. It's got the little logo on it, and it's pretty sharp. So I placed an order with Italian Barber, and wow, they really shipped this thing out pretty quickly. So let's go ahead and see if I can get it on camera here. Oh yeah. It'll just zip right through that label, as long as I don't cut my fingers off. All right, it worked well. All right, here we go. Kind of forgot what I ordered. We got a lot of packing peanuts, which is nice. The packing slip, and first off, I got a game changer top cap. Future video coming with that. Oh yes, I bought the red label soap puck for my youngest son. Got him into wet shaving. That's a pleasant scent. Nice, kind of soft almond. I thought that would be something he would enjoy. I tried to let him go through and pick out some stuff out of all my other shave gear, and he was on mental and nose overload. All right, and you guys know that I've been on a shave stick kick, and I thought, I see these all the time, and the only reason why I bought these shave sticks is because they had a big sale, and it was like, I can't remember now, it was like $2.99 or something. They were super cheap, and I was always curious about this black label, and in my mind, I had thought it may be something different, because it said black label, and I was like, you know, maybe it'll be like the Floyd Black. But I can tell you it's not. It does have a nice, kind of pleasant barbershop scent, and that's what it said that it was. And then I got the, wow, this one is the gold label. And you can't see it, but it sure looks black in there. It's a nice. It's kind of hard to smell through the cellophane. I looked this one up, and this one is supposed to be, this soap is supposed to be the XXX scent. And so I thought, when I'm in there, let me see if I can use this. I thought, why not go ahead and order that to go along with it. That thing cut so good. I cut my label on my, I got my label on my, can you see it? Anyway, it's okay. But yeah, so this one and this one are supposed to be the same scent. Let me take a little whiff here. Ooh, that's nice. That's that, and I believe that is the end of the unboxing, because I didn't spend the extra to get the free shipping, because I thought, I have so much shave stuff already. I thought I would, you know, get a couple sticks and try them out. You know, Razorock soap, to me, is very overlooked. I have a couple other of their soaps. I meant to bring them out and showcase them as well. But yeah, they're just kind of, you don't see too many people talking about them or showcasing them on their shave of the day photos or anything. And it's kind of a shame, because really it's a nice value if you're not looking for anything, you know, out of the crazy. I'm sitting here looking at this thing. Yeah, I mean, as far as if you're not looking for any kind of a really unique scents or anything, and you're just looking for a good overall scent, a lot of the Razorock scents are there. There's only probably 2 that I've got in the past that I was kind of like, not for me. But all the rest of them have been excellent, and for the price, it's a good value. The old HC&C Chopper will definitely open up some packages, and I would say it would go as far as cut some cardboard, and it will. So be careful. It is pretty sharp. I like the little. At first, I kind of thought the little sheath on it was kind of cute, but I believe that's probably a necessity, being that I cut through the bubble wrap and got the old, I don't know if you still can't really see it right here and here. They had no problem cutting through that, so be careful if you're using it to open stuff up. Watch your digits, because we all need them. That's going to be it for my video. Probably have one coming out again on Wednesday, because I'm doing a giveaway. All right, I'll see you guys then. You have a great rest of your day.